Recovery System, MetaTrader Expert Advisor. The tutorial. Automatic locking and restoring unprofitable positions. Restoring using partial closing loss. Flexible configuration with a variety of filters and protective functions. Can be used to restore individual advisors and paired with an advisor. For example, let's try to restore 5 lots with the help of recovery orders without filters. The advisor locked the position and close it in parts. Let's see how it works. In total, the advisor can display 3 different panels. This is the main information panel, the panel for processing orders of the current group, and a panel for manually opening orders for a group of locked orders. The main panel displays the number of locked orders, their volume in lots, as well as their profit in the account currency. The next part of the main panel displays the number of restorative orders, their volume in lots and their profit in the account currency. At the bottom of the main panel there is a button for closing all processed orders, as well as their total volume and total profit. The processing panel of the current group shows the volume of partial closure of restoring orders and profits from these parts, as well as the volume and profit from the restorative orders. At the bottom of the panel there is a button to close the current group and profit from the current group of orders. On the order opening panel there are 2 buttons for opening orders, displaying the current spread in points and the drawdown of processed orders as a percentage of the deposit volume. The work of the recovery system can be divided into 2 important stages. The first stage is the launch and preparation of orders for work. The second, immediately restore them. Let's see the launch. It is divided into several steps. Step 1. In order for a loss-making advisor not to open new orders, and there was no conflict between the algorithms, recovery system closes other windows with the same symbol, in order to turn off other advisors. This feature is convenient for working with the BPS, and can be enabled in the input settings. Step 2. Now the advisor will remove pending orders, and for the market orders will reset the take profit and stop loss levels. Step 3. Close profitable orders, in order to reduce the total volume, and with the help of their profit, close a part of unprofitable orders. Step 4. Automatic locking of positions, to prevent a loss from growing. If automatic locking is enabled, the position will be automatically aligned to the lock, both when closing a part of orders, and at the opening of new orders being processed. Step 5. The construction of the recovery zones for the opening of restorative orders. Recovery zones are price zones, in which the advisor can open recovery orders of a certain type. 2 types of zones are available. The first is automatic zone calculation. If it is selected in the input settings, then the boundaries of the zones will be calculated as the price values of the highest and lowest orders processed. When opening new processed orders, the zone boundaries will be recalculated. The second is a zone of a fixed size. To calculate its location, the prices of the upper and lower orders are determined, and the zone is located in the center relative to them. When opening new orders, the location of the center of the zone is recalculated. The process for partial close orders can be selected by 2 strategies. The advisor can restore the nearest to profitable orders, that is the highest sell order, and the lowest buy order. The second option is to restore the farthest orders from the profitability, that is the highest buy order, and the lowest sell order. After that, these orders will be virtually divided into parts, each of which will be restored and closed separately. When the orders are selected, and the profits from their virtual parts are calculated, the advisor starts to open the restoring orders. They can be opened using parabolic SAR filtering. They can also be opened using classic grids. Restorative orders can also be opened using filtering indicator alligator. or using two moving averages. All indicators for filtering can be configured in the input settings.